On October 21st, 2024, Atlanta police spotted a 2023 Hummer EV running a stop sign. After running the tag, they discovered the driver had a suspended license, and the vehicle was registered to comedian and influencer Drew Disboards, known professionally as Druski.
Stop signs.
Good.
After about 2 minutes, the officer made it clear he was pulling the vehicle over. Once he activated his lights and sirens, Druski's vehicle complied and pulled over shortly after.
I just feel like I've pulled this vehicle over before. Yeah, 72 6090 IV on a white in color Hummer EV. It's a pickup truck. Good morning, sir. How you doing? So I'm Officer William with the Atlanta Police Department. I pulled you over because you rolled through that stop sign right there at IV and North Stratford. Okay, now when I run the registration, it comes back suspended and no insurance. You have insurance for the vehicle? Can I see that? Can I get your driver's license, sir?
It's a newer car.
Gotcha.
I don't know which one it is. Is that it?
Yeah. That's the vehicle stuff. Who are you insured with?
I'm not sure. We were trying to hurt you.
Gotcha.
Yo, who is my car insured by?
I have to look at the document.
I'm pulled over. I look, you need that document.
What?
I said I'm pulled over right now. I need that document.
So you're pulled over by a police officer?
Yeah.
Your place, good morning, and what 40 minutes?
Yeah, he said it's saying it's suspended and no license. Or
No valid insurance.
No
It's got
valid
suspended registration.
I think it's kind of like a signify. Yeah, that's sort of like, I don't.
Should I call him?
No, but I'm just like, I had a lot of calls, Chris and Olga, and it's like, like, hey, I'm asking that 700 times straight. So hold on, I'm in there.
Do you know who their insurance? You know who the vehicle is insurance with?
Hold on a second, I'm just looking. It should be insured with Progressive.
Progressive?
Yeah.
All right. Give me 1 second, Eric.
calling Progressive. Your call may be recorded or monitored. You can speak to me in complete sentences. Si quiere hablar en español, solo diga español. Thank you for calling Progressive. My name's Shelby. How may I help you?
Good morning, ma'am. This is Officer Lynn with the Atlanta Police Department. I need a verified insurance with the vehicle. If you can help me out.
Okay. And the first and last name?
It's going to be Druski, LLC. So that'll be D as in David, R as in Robert, U as in Uncle, S as in Sam, King, or K as in King, I as in Ida, LLC.
Okay, so this is a business or commercial policy?
Okay.
Let me get you over to that department. Give me 1 second.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you for calling Progressive Commercial Auto. This is Robert. How can I help you today?
Hey, this is Officer Lynn with the Atlanta Police Department. I just need a verified and insurance for the vehicle.
Sure, we can definitely do that for you. However, I need to get you over to my services center to do that, sir. So bear with me just a moment. They'll help you out.
Sure, no problem. Oh, I think he's got this stuff. I appreciate it, though. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, yeah, it probably won't match the same number I just sent you as well, but it'll show it's not expired.
I think you were just at our house a couple days ago too.
Was
Our alarm went off when we were out of town.
Probably.
You were like at the back door.
All right, Mr. Drew. See you. I got bad news too. All right. Your license is suspended.
I think we updated that though.
Yeah, your license has been suspended since July of 2024.
Is this not the right thing for the license?
No, this is your insurance card.
Did he say July 2020?
Yeah. Is that your lawyer on the phone?
No. This is my manager.
Okay. Yeah, so you have a suspended driver's license. All right. I mean, I know who you are.
Yeah.
Right?
Sure.
So,
I just need to let somebody else drive.
the problem with the vehicle right now is that card is an expired card, right? And that doesn't show me anything. It's just an umbrella policy for the vehicle itself. It's not an insurance card. And I'm trying to get a hold of your insurance through Progressive to verify that insurance information. But according to everything we have, the car has no insurance. And according to the Department of Revenue, the car hasn't had insurance since, I believe it was October 2024. Okay. So give me a second. Let me make a couple of phone calls.
Okay. And it is October 2024 right now.
Yeah, well, it just went. They literally just took it off. Okay. So I think it went like beginning of the month. Did you swap insurance or any of that?
Did we swap anything, Noah?
No, the only thing I can think of is that driver's license lapse. For Progressive, if they might see a suspended license, might then suspend insurance. But, we sent that over. I think Chris is saying they did sort that if you got the new ID mailed to you. I'm just confused as how that. Yeah, like,
I said it was mailed to me.
Let me verify your insurance first. Okay. That's what I was on the phone for.
Okay.
Let me verify that insurance information, and then.
Do you need this?
I don't. They can look it up through your VIN number.
But I wonder if Drew, if you're close to your house right now, is it better could you just take the car back and you guys were to the airport?
Yeah. So give me a second, all right? I'll be right back. Appreciate it. $3275 on ACIC.
Go ahead.
Can I get a 28 check on a Georgia license plate? Sam Edward Baker, 6737.
Thank you for calling Progressive. Your call may be recorded or monitored. You can speak to me in complete sentences.
Commercial auto insurance.
Comes back to
What state is your vehicle kept in?
Georgia.
this 4 days.
Yes, ma'am. Could you help me out with a commercial auto insurance? I'm just trying to verify a vehicle. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it.
Are you an officer?
Oh, yes, ma'am. I'm Atlanta Police Department. I'm just looking to verify the insurance information on this vehicle that I have currently pulled over.
It's okay. It's in Georgia then, right?
Yes, ma'am.
State of Georgia? Do you have a policy number?
I don't. I can get it from him. Give me a second. Let me get it from him.
Yeah, let's go with the policy number, please.
I got you. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna walk back up there to him.
Alright, yeah, you're good. Take your time.
Mr. Drew, can I get that insurance policy number?
What's the insurance policy number? We also have some Spanish that we did update the menu.
Okay.
What's the policy number?
950.
Alright, give me just a second. I'm going to connect you with our services team. They'll be able to access the policy and confirm any questions you have, okay?
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. 1 second. Thank you for calling Progressive. My name is Kat. Can I get your first and last name, please?
This is Officer Lynn with the Atlanta Police Department. I'm just trying to verify a commercial auto insurance. If you can help me out.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. It's a commercial. Do you have the policy number by chance?
Can I get a policy number again?
950.
So it's going to be 950?
Commercial. I've got the policy number pulled up. It's for a personal auto policy.
Yes.
The customer's first and last name?
Should be Druski LLC.
Oh, no.
Right. It's under your company name. I'll be right back.
So I've got that policy pulled up, but the policy number that you guys gave me, this is for a personal auto, not for a commercial.
Okay. Are you still able to look up and see if this vehicle is actually under this policy number?
So what's the vehicle, year, make, and model, or last four VIN?
The last four VIN is going to be should be a white GMC Hummer pickup truck.
Okay, so I've got that on the policy, yes sir.
So it is valid?
Yes sir, looks like it is covered. The policy is active.
Okay. All right. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that.
Of course, you have a good one.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, sorry. So I pulled over a vehicle. It's that comedian from Druski. I don't know if you ever watched him. There's like a bunch of like comedians and whatnot. He's grown to be pretty big. He's a black guy. So I pulled him over for running the stop sign. And then when I run it, it comes back with no valid or suspended registration and no valid insurance. I was able to verify his insurance. Then when I run his driver's license, it comes back suspended.
What's suspended for?
For FTA.
Does it say what the FDA is for?
No, it doesn't. It just says FTA, but I do know that he is a big time like comedian based out of Atlanta.
Alright, I assume you're calling me because your supervisors aren't answering.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there a surrender date?
No.
You said yes or no?
No. No service or surrender date.
Do you want to take the car and give him copies, and then that way his license gets sent back to the state?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm not taking his car. His car does have valid insurance on it. So I'm going to
Okay.
give him a couple of citations for running the stop sign, suspended registration, giving me an expired driver's license, and then and that's really it. And I'm going to take his driver's license and cut him a copy and get the other guy in the car to drive his car.
Okay, I was getting ready to ask that one right there. Okay.
All right. Yeah, I'm
All
just
right,
just making sure with you. That is cool.
Okay. As long as when he leaves you, he is not operating a motor vehicle.
I got you.
Okay.
I copy that. Thanks, Art. Bye.
Okay.
Hey, sorry. I'm sorry. Didn't mean to wake you up. So I pulled over Druski, the comedian. Yeah, I mean, too. He's got a. So basically, he ran a stop sign in front of me over here at OIV in North Stratford. When I run the registration, it comes back suspended. No valid insurance, but I was able to verify the insurance for the vehicle, so he's good on that. But he's got a suspended driver's license, so I'm giving him a copy. I'm taking his driver's license from him, and I'm also gonna.
He got a suspended license.
Yes, sir.
And now he gonna have to go. Is he by yourself?
Yeah, and nobody out here with me. He got to do in the car too.
Have another unit come out there. He's gonna have to, because I mean we can't just extend courtesy to him and whatnot. You know, it's a arrestable offense. Suspend the driver's license.
Yeah, for failure to appear.
Yeah, I mean he's already shown that he's not going to show up in court. So he need to be 23 physically. Yeah, just have who's working today? Is Hill or
Hill's on the other side of town.
Call for another unit. And like I said, once the unit get there, you can just go ahead to get him out.
I mean, he's pretty cooperable. I'm gonna get him out the car, and I'm gonna detain him for right now. But he does have a suspended driver's license. No serve or surrender date on the driver's license.
Okay. I mean, and it's crazy because I'm in California right now, so they 3 hours behind.
Oh, I'm sorry. I know you were 3 hours behind me. I got you. All right. I got you. No problem. Yep. All right, bye. Mr. Drew. So unfortunately,
We also have an updated tag too.
it's the same tag that's on the reader right now, right?
Not sure. SUV?
Yeah, SCB 6737. Yep. So here's the thing, right? You have an FTA, right, for suspended driver's license. I don't know if you missed a court date or whatnot, but I am gonna have to take you in today. Okay. I am gonna have to take you in for that suspended driver's license. If your man here, if you want, you can release. I verify the insurance for the vehicle.
Nothing that we can show you though, because we have a flight right now. Literally like a big night event. So it's like, if I'm going to jail right now, it's kind of like that fucks up the whole thing that we're doing. There's nothing that we can show you at all.
That's.
Yeah, or like he's back in town on Wednesday. We just fix everything on Wednesday, but not.
Let me call my sergeant.
Okay.
And
We want to do the right thing here.
yeah. No, I got you. All right, give me 1 second. All right.
All right.
Hey, sorry. So apparently he's going to a big event. He's flying out today. Is it cool if I just give him a copy, let the other guy drive the vehicle? No. Mm-hmm. I got you. Yeah. Yeah. All right, no problem. Yeah, I just thought I gave you a call and let you know that he does have a big event. It will mess up all his stuff and whatnot. But like, I understand, like just because you're whatever, you're not gonna like you violated them. You violated a pretty big. I mean, if you didn't have a suspended driver's license, would you make some copies and let them go? Yep. All right, I got you. All right, bye. All right, Mr. Drew. So, unfortunately, that's not going to be possible. All right, so you're going to have to take a ride with me today, okay? All right, can I get you to come out the car for me? You'll probably get booked in, right? You'll probably be out before the day is.
Nah, I know.
No, I understand that, and unfortunately, that's something that...
Do you know where the flight check is from, though?
It doesn't tell me. It does not tell me where it comes from, but it does say something about May 17th-ish was a ticket that was assigned, or you're supposed to show up to court, and then it got suspended in July. I don't know if it's Fulton. It could be anywhere in the state of Georgia.
Is that this year?
Yes. It's May of 2024. All right, so can I get you to step out the car for me?
All right, well, I'll call you then.
Just turn around for me. I'm gonna give you 2 handcuffs, all right?
Sir, what do we do with the car?
All right, so give me a second. All right, just stay in the car for me, all right? Come on. Give me a second. So the vehicle, so I cleared the vehicle for having the insurance on the vehicle, all right? So would you like your guy that's sitting in the passenger to take the car?
Yeah, he can take it home. My house is literally right there.
Hop in. I know you're a pretty big guy, and it's not going to be too comfortable. I gave you 2 handcuffs, so don't tear your shoulders up.
Should I just lay down?
If you like to.
Is there a way I could put the handcuffs in the front?
No, corner. Yeah, we can't do that on the policy. If you want to lay down, I'm cool with that for right now.
Yeah, because my legs are too long.
Yep. All right. 3275 radio. Hey, 2. I got no problem with you taking the car. Mr. Drew said you're cool to take the car. I just need a valid driver's license from you.
Keeping that back? We're fine, right there?
Yeah. Either one.
All right.
Doesn't matter which one.
Yeah,
All right.
it's too big for me anyway.
All right, sir. You're good to drive the vehicle.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to turn everything to you, and you guys will be good to go. Yeah. Give him a couple of hours at city. He's going to go down to city jail.
Could they already process him and like he bond out immediately, or
Pretty much. Like he'll literally get bonded out right away.
so like could we follow or should we?
Give him a couple of hours for that booking process, at least until maybe about 1 o'clock. All right, Mr. Drew, hop out here so I can fix that cuff for you. You said the right one is a little tough?
Yeah.
Not anybody in the Tesla truck doing me. What the fuck is going on? You know they recording.
It's none of their business. Hop in there. I'm trying to sit up because I gotta put a seatbelt on you.
Fuck, I don't know.
Hey, Sarge.
Sit up?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. He cool.
My arms won't even let me. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Hey, Sarge, I got a question. Is it cool if I put his arms in front of him because he is a pretty big guy? We're having a hard time getting in and out of this car. Yeah. Yeah, we're still having a pretty hard time because
It's good right here.
he's big. You good right there?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Never mind, Sarge. All right. Yep. We're gonna head down to the city here, and he can go ahead and get his stuff and whatnot done. All right. I was gonna put this. Fortunately, we met in this kind of situation, sir.
Yeah, nah, it's pretty crazy.
But
You think they're gonna have me in here all day?
no, sir. Yeah, I'll be out no later. You'll be out today. Yeah, you're not gonna be in there all day. Right, you'll literally be out today. All right. All right.
Check out more of our police body cam videos here on the channel. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our newest videos. In the meantime, check out our latest video here.